close to the stadium. In this video, I'm just going to show you around the city of Toronto and how it feels like, and also what the vibe is about the FIFA 2026 World Cup. So join me along as I show you around the beautiful city of Toronto. The stadium, and Canada just finished playing Bosnia in the World Cup and they drew 1-1. I'm really impressed with the number of Canadians that turned out despite the hike in fees for the tickets. I'm sure that they saw like a lot of people turn out for them today, and I'm talking about the footballers for Canada. So I didn't expect this much crowd, sincerely. I was thinking there wouldn't be much people because of the prices of the tickets. But interestingly, Canadians came out a lot, right from the stadium down to the roads. Everywhere is filled. So it has been an energetic atmosphere here in Toronto, and looking forward to what other games will feel like. I've walked around the city of Toronto and everywhere is filled with football fans, both from Canada and also Bosnia, just showing their flag, celebrating the match. It was a 1-1 draw, so no loss on both sides of the team, so it's good. Everywhere is filled with energy, people are excited, people are happy, and I think that's what